Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is May 13th. We do have the grains. Well, corn's unchanged. Beans up 5.5. Wheat up 4. Very light volume overnight, especially the day after a report that we had seen. Probably going to see some follow through from that report and from some of those numbers here today. Big surprise mostly coming out of beans, with new crop beans coming in at 500 million carryout. So I think that was quite a surprise for a lot of guys there. Looking at global or world numbers, looking for an increase for corn, beans, and wheat production next year as well. Certainly keeping that bearish tone that we saw over the beans yesterday. And then can we see that carry into corn and wheat as well, and watch that here today. But like I said, big surprise in beans. Beans are up 5.5 cents though, guys. Trying to pick maybe a low in here as we held some support, but overall we're going to need to get through some of these big numbers that we've seen from yesterday's report. Now, good weather stretching across the Midwest over the next few days. Things are supposed to warm up. We're getting through this cold spell that we've seen. Temperatures back into the 70s and 80s again as we get into the weekend. And things certainly warming up, giving a little bit of opportunity for guys to get back in the fields after some of the rain that we've seen as well. Guys around us are going to be moving later on this afternoon, probably all day tomorrow as well. There's chances of rain for Friday into the weekend, so we'll see. Giving some opportunity though to get some stuff finished up. Looking at livestock, cattle right now unchanged. Box beef coming in a little bit mixed. Choice up $1.39. Select down 35. But very little news for cattle, so it's very quiet out there. Expecting to see maybe $1 lower trade this week due to the increase in show list numbers that we saw earlier this week. Nothing as of yet, so we'll keep an eye on that here as we go throughout the week. Hogs are down 20 cents today after a good rally yesterday. Cutout values continuing to climb, up 267. More talk, though, of bird flu in Nebraska now. Nebraska is a number 4 egg-producing state, so we'll see what kind of effects we have there, and are we going to get more cases. Just this week, we've heard now in Indiana, now Nebraska, we're hearing that this is spreading. We really need to try to keep this out of that southeastern area, as far as these birds. So keep an eye on that, and keep an eye on the headlines. That's where a lot of the stuff is going to push these markets very quickly as these stories continue to unfold. Stock market down only 9 points right now, pretty quiet. Crude up 50 cents at 61.30. We got the dollar down 61 here this morning. Gold and silver are higher. Gold up $12, silver up 50 cents. But give us a call if you guys have questions. You can reach us here. 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.